little bit. Okay, very good. So one thing people do is hold the microphone very, very low, and it's very difficult to hear, especially from the back.
Okay.
So this is one thing. These are small practical tips.
Okay.
Now I'm seeing from your badge from Mariana. Mariana.
Yeah, Miriam, yes.
Mariana.
Miriam.
What is your company's name?
I don't have yet.
Understood.
But
What?
I have brand, what I'm...
Cool.
Yes.
What is the brand?
Royal Poppy.
Royal
Poppy.
Poppy.
Poppy, yes.
Poppy.
Yes.
Like a plant?
Like
Poppy?
a plant, yes.
Royal Poppy.
Yes.
Cool. Not poppy, but poppy.
Yes.
Now this is going to probably last around, hopefully 8 minutes. I'm going to be quickly asking you questions, so
Yes.
try to give me clear
Okay.
answers. Some of this stuff, this part, might not be as exciting. As in, I'm not going to be making eye contact with you all the time. Maybe occasionally I will comment on it. But the same questions I'm going to ask Mariana,
Yes.
you need to be able to ask yourself just before you're going to construct a page. As in, write a short talk about your company, yourself, and what you guys are looking for. Keep that in mind. So this is going to be slightly tedious, but the end result is going to be interesting. Mariana, so Royal Puppy,
Royal Poppy.
that's a brand. What is it?
Children wear clothes.
Clothes.
Yes.
What sort of clothes?
Exclusive.
Exclusive clothes. Now,
Royalty.
in Estonia, I hear a lot of words sometimes. Sometimes people tell me, huvitav. Interesting. Unikaalne. Vapustav. So could you help me out a little bit?
Yes.
What does it mean?
It's glossy, shiny, bright, brilliant, diamond.
Understood. Glossy, bright, diamond, and this for kids.
Yes.
That's some very fabulous kids.
Yes.
Understood. So it's like an off-market product,
Yes.
if I understood correctly.
Yes.
Have you sold this product to anybody?
No, not that.
So you have a prototype of it.
Yeah.
How does it look like? What is it again?
I didn't get the question.
What is it?
What is it?
Again, could you repeat? I'm going to repeat myself.
Okay. It's like children clothes, royalty clothes.
What sort of clothing?
It's exclusive.
I got that. Right. See, this is what I mean. Some are repetitive. So it's like a uniform thing, a little shirt, pants. What is it?
Dresses mostly.
Dresses,
I think at first, yes.
So it's for little girls.
Yes.
What would be the age, the range?
It begins like 2 years until 12.
So you have a category from 2 to 12, so when they're becoming teenagers.
Yes.
That's quite a range.
Yes.
What is your background, Maria?
I'm a scenographist. It's a theater artist and film artist and theater, film, TV artist. Yes.
So you ended up working in theater, in television. What else?
I have lots of things I have done.
Do I need to know you? Maybe I'm
Okay. I have right now. I'm a person who helps. I don't know how to say in English. Okay, it's a different, totally different area what I'm doing now.
Help me out.
But
What is it?
I'm at the school and helping little boy to get better in the school. Like a teacher, but I'm not a teacher. I'm just a support person.
Understood.
Yes.
Understood. So why do you want to do this brand? Why are you doing it right now?
Because it's in myself, in me, and it has to come out.
It's in you, it has to come out.
Yes.
So what are your plans for it?
To go to everywhere in the planet. That children can be beautiful and shine bright like a diamond.
Do you want to bring your clothes, your children's clothes,
Yes.
what, Europe? We're talking about Germany, Estonia, Baltics?
A little bit far.
Where?
In USA.
US.
Russia, maybe.
I'm going to be very direct now.
Okay.
Try to answer.
I know those are different sites, but yes.
So which market would you go into first?
Probably USA.
US.
Yes.
Have you been to the US in terms of work? Have you sold things
No.
there? Understood. So you're probably looking for a partner, an advisor? Are you looking for investment capital to make this happen?
Maybe, but right now I'm taking slow, yes.
Taking it slow.
Yeah.
So what's your timeline right now?
I don't know, year, 2 maybe?
year or two, and what's going to happen after a year?
Then I think I have some kind collections already.
Can you give an idea of the collection?
Collection is like 5 or 10 pieces.
5 or 10 pieces, and what those pieces would be?
Clothes, dresses.
All right,
Or
Maria,
do-
help me out.
Yes.
Maybe it's because I asked you a broad question. Can you
Yes.
give me the different categories? Give me a little more specifics. So I understood that dresses are an element of it.
Okay.
You want 5 to 10 other types.
Yes.
What are the other types?
What I have like in my mind and in my
All right, so if you don't know exactly yet right now,
I have one collection now. Yes.
so what does the collection contain?
It contains 5 dresses.
5 dresses,
Yes.
5 different types of
Yes.
dresses. Understood. So how do you go about creating a new dress?
I'm making them right now.
I understand, but how does the creative process look like for you?
It's coming somewhere, and at first, and then it's coming for me, and
sketch it?
I sketch it, and some maybe some colors, and I see something, then it's going to go to life in my head.
Do you have a studio?
No, I'm doing in my home right now.
Cool.
Yes.
And what would be the inspiration sources for these dresses?
Mm,
Those colors you mentioned.
right now, it's butterflies and flowers.
Butterflies and flowers, understood.
Yes.
Is there a specific butterfly?
Actually, it's most right now it's magnolia.
Magnolia.
Yes, and cold color.
Cool colors.
Yes.
Remind me again, why did you, so it's inside of you this thing to start a business to produce clothing for kids, but I want to understand what got into it, because how many years have you spent in the theater business?
Maybe it's I went to because I have four children, and
You
I
have 4
have
kids,
yes,
adult girls,
and all 3 of them are girls. Yeah.
and 1 boy.
Yes, one boy.
Understood. Wow. Wow. And you've been in theater. Can you give me an idea how long have you been working in this area?
10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
And as what again? You stenographer, you mentioned?
Yes.
All right, so what else?
But mostly I was in film and TV
And
business.
what did you do there?
The decoration in the stage and put the people clothes on, and I actually have been doing collection also before.
What sort of collection?
When I was younger.
What sort of collection?
Different.
This is what I mean, guys. Sometimes the general answer is given, and I have to clarify. I do need the detail a little bit to give an idea what it was. Can you disclose it?
Yes, it was when I was, I think, 11th grade. Then I made some school. It was different young people competition, and I was doing my also dresses. And
How old were you again? 17?
I think so, yeah.
17.
Yes, but when I was younger, I was just doing my clothes by myself. To me. Yes.
Now, fun fact, I've also made this. It's a hobby.
Oh.
So I sew. So I can relate to a certain level. But let me try something else. I'm going to clarify again. So Poppy, what is it? What was the name again?
Royal copies.
Royal Poppy.
Yes.
And who's this for again? What sort of kids? So from 2 to 12?
Yes.
And their parents are paying for it though? So what sort of parents are they?
They are rich people.
I like the honesty. I like the directness of it.
Yes.
How does a rich person in Estonia look like?
No,
What do they do?
I don't think that in Estonia have rich persons. Sorry. They
Fair
maybe
enough.
new rich, but
Except Estonia.
it's different. I think it's a little bit more richness in our side.
What do you mean by this?
I think it's not it's coming somewhere else. It's not like you just want to look or think what others think, but it's like more your lifestyle
Understood.
and
So-
long time.
So what sort of lifestyle do those people have in the U.S.? Ivy League schools?
I think they have. I think better, backgrounds.
What would be the retail price of one set? Let's say one collection for a kid.
I mean, one piece or.
Let's say, how would you be selling it? A piece at a time, or what would be this?
I think it's a piece of the time. Yeah.
So how much would be one piece or dress?
Something like 300, between 500.
300, 500.
Yes.
Understood. So how much money do you need just to get started and bring it to the US market next 2 years? More or less, have you thought about this? If you didn't, just let me know.
I don't know yet. Yeah.
I will fill in content for you in that.
Okay.
So I don't know exactly, you don't know, so I'll come up with stuff. I might ask you a few more questions,
Yes.
but I think on this note, I'm going to start collating it, and I'm going to do a pitch very soon.
Okay.
Understood. So let me quickly think. So Royal Poppy,
Royal Poppy.
Royal
Yes.
Poppy. It's a line clothing wear, as in it's baby wear,
No.
children's wear.
Children's kids.
Understood. So from 2 years old
Yes.
to 12 years old.
Yes.
And you started this because, again, can you remind me?
Because I like the design.
Understood. So that collection you did when you were 17, what was it again? What was it? Uniforms?
No,
What-
no dresses also.
Dresses for
Yes. The
Graduation dresses?
no, it was ladies, but it was we were young. Yeah, no, girls.
How many did you make?
I think also 5 or something.
5. Understood. So right now you have one collection, 5 different dresses that you made.
Yes.
So you've been a stenographer, you helped with mostly television. You've done the makeup, set the stage, you compiled the
I have
outfits.
done makeup.
You haven't done makeup. So the stage, you set up the stage, the interior, the stylist, the stylist, the stenographer, and you work in theater and television. So this is part of where your skill set comes from.
I think so, yeah.
Understood. Marianne.
Yes.
Is that the correct pronunciation of your name?
Yes, yes.
Marianne. Cool. Marianne, thank you very much, and applause for this fine moment, please. Now I'm going to put it together in my mind, and I'm going to deliver it as if I would be Marianne, but slightly differently. My name is Marianne. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Royal Poppy. Now I've been making clothing since I was 17. I created my first 5 different dresses for my classmates. Now I'm looking back at that, I'm not very proud of it. In a way I am still though, because I took that skill set and I continued working in theater and television, providing clothing for people going in front of, let's say, a million or hundreds of thousands of people. I've done that for 10 years. Then I became a mom to 4 kids, 1 boy and 3 lovely girls. And this is where I got the idea of creating a line of dresses, of clothing for little girls and boys, anything from 2 years old to 12 years old. And I thought there's enough of clothing like that, anything from China, anything from third world countries, there's enough of that. So I thought, why not create something in Estonia? Why not create something in Estonia but for the US parents? The kind of parents that, well, they have a certain richness inside. Right now we have 5 different types, 5 different lovely dresses inspired by butterflies. Magnolia will be one of them. I have very little experience in building up a business. I don't know how to make it happen. So we're looking for, as a me and my team, we're looking for financing, but we're looking for an advisor. We're looking for somebody to help us build this up in the States. Somebody to tell us what the exact number is to set this up and make it happen. My name is Marianne. And I would like to make Royal Poppy one of the top clothing brands for kids in the world.